Attention viewers, starting in 2023, I will only be posting on Sundays and Tuesdays. Wowzer, they're a flashy looking babe in a 1937 Plymouth. Dazzling hottie here, and a 1947 Nash Ambassador. There's a provoking looking babe, and a 1957 Chevy. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. A tantalizing babe and a 1967 Ford Fairlane 500, R code 427 cubic inch, 425 horsepower, only one of 92 built. Woo-wee! There's a hot babe and a 1977 Dodge Custom van. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.